Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Wyze Cam SD card health and recording step by step clearly. To verify the health of your Wyze Cam SD card and check recordings, start by ensuring your camera is powered on. Open the Wyze app on your smartphone or tablet. Log into your Wyze account if you are not already logged in. Select the camera you want to check from the list of devices. Tap on the gear icon located in the upper right corner to access the camera settings. Scroll down to find the Advanced Settings option and tap on it. Look for the SD card section within the Advanced Settings. In this section, you will see the status of the SD card. To check the health, tap on Format SD card if you need to ensure it's functioning properly. This will erase all recordings, so be cautious if you have important footage stored. If you have previously formatted the card and it still shows issues, it may need to be replaced. To check existing recordings, return to the main camera feed. Tap on the View Playback option at the bottom of the screen. You will now be able to navigate through your recorded footage. Slide the time bar to review specific time frames where recordings were captured. Listen and look for the desired recordings that you want to verify. If the video plays smoothly, your SD card is likely in good health. If there are playback issues, your SD card may have corruption or insufficient speed for recording. To resolve this, consider using a different, high-speed microSD card. When you finish checking your recordings, return to the camera settings if you need further adjustments. Remember to safely eject the SD card if you're planning to remove it from the camera. This will help ensure both the card and your recordings remain intact. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.